Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Raising kids is one of the most challenging and rewarding experiences in life. It's full of ups and downs, laughter and tears, and moments of pure joy and frustration. But despite the challenges, it's also an incredible privilege to be a part of a child's life and to help them grow and learn. Here, I am sharing with you 9 things to say it to your kid every day to build a strong parent-child bond. First is saying "I love you" to your child. Love is an essential part of Islam. Allah loves all of His creation, and Muslims are commanded to love one another as well. This includes our children. Saying "I love you" to your children is the best way of expressing your love for them and fulfilling this Islamic duty. 2. I like it when you. Positive reinforcement is encouraged in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself was known for his kind and gentle nature, and he always encouraged his followers to be patient and understanding with children. Pointing out your child's good behavior and praising them for it is a way of encouraging them to continue doing good deeds. 3. You make me happy. Gratitude is also an important Islamic value. We should be grateful for all of the blessings in our lives, including our children. Expressing your happiness to your child shows them how much you appreciate them and the joy they bring to your life. 4. Saying "I'm proud of you." Giving your child a sense of pride and accomplishment is important in Islam. When children feel proud of themselves, they are more likely to make good choices and strive to do their best. Encouraging your child and letting them know that you are proud of them is a way of boosting their confidence and self-esteem. 5. You are special. Every person is unique and special in the eyes of Allah. This includes our children. Reminding your child of their specialness is a way of helping them develop a positive self-image and appreciate the gifts that Allah has given them. 6. I trust you. Trust is essential in any relationship, especially between parents and children. In Islam, children are considered to be amanah, or trusts from Allah. This means that we should raise them with trust and respect. Letting your child know that you trust them is a way of showing them that you believe in them and their ability to make good choices. 7. I believe in you. Having faith in your child is important in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Every child is born a Muslim, pure and innocent." This means that every child has the potential to be good and righteous. Believing in your child and their ability to do good is a way of encouraging them to reach their full potential. 8. I know you can do this. Encouragement is essential for helping children overcome challenges and reach their goals. In Islam, we are encouraged to be patient and persistent in the face of difficulties. Knowing that you believe in your child and their ability to succeed can give them the strength they need to keep going. 9. I am grateful for you. Gratitude is an important Islamic value. We should be grateful for all of the blessings in our lives, including our children. Expressing your gratitude to your child shows them how much you appreciate them and the joy they bring to your life. Ultimately, the most important thing is to express your love and support for your children in a way that is genuine and meaningful to them. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you find this video helpful and share your favorite phrase you say to your child. And please like, subscribe, and share with struggling parents.